Hello, hi, welcome. My name's Crow and welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. This is a little sound demo video to accompany one of the listings on our Etsy shop, and it is for this rather lovely, beautiful horse skin shamanic frame drum. It's 18 inches approximately, slightly oval as you can see, so it's slightly more that way than 18, and it's slightly less than 18 that way, but on average around about 18. Now this is quite a heavy drum. A lot of the drums I make are very light, but because it's got the hair on and it's a particularly thick skin, it does make it quite a heavy drum, so bear that in mind when making your choices. If I turn it over, it's got a gorgeous branch handle. I picked the oldest, gnarliest branch that I could that was strong and stable, and this is the one. It's got some beautiful features in that handle. Love it. Artificial sinews, the lacing there. On the inside, I've burst on the 10th of March 2022 in Knighton Parish, UK, and that's to enable you to make a birth chart, find out what energies were around on the day when the drum was birthed, and alongside that I've just popped my maker's mark in there as well. There's two beaters we're going to play with, a firm beater and a softer beater. Both give a slightly different sound, so either one or both of these would be available to purchase alongside the drum if you decide that this is the drum for you. So let's have a little play. I'll start with the firmer beater. Here we go. Beautiful. So different energy with the softer beater. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope this has helped, this little video, to be able to hear the sound of the drum. It's very difficult buying online, and that's why I make the videos. Okay, so I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.